I can confirm that I endorsed a document for Kabiyesi Awujale on creation of state exhibit A, which is repeated. So many reasons, including expediency, warranted it. There was no reason for me not to have signed such. The bottlenecks and stumbling blocks in creating a state are too striking for us to risk our friendly relationship. It is however also true that pursuant to Exhibit A, Exhibit B was signed directly because initially then thought since I signed A, it should be one of my chiefs signing B. But I said no, I will sign B so that whoever is saying what will know that I endorse the two. Exhibit B was signed by me, which represented the position of rebel stakeholders at the time. If anyone shows you Exhibit A, ask him for Exhibit B, because from rebel perspective, that is what constitutes a complete document. It is in this vein that I wish to pay joint tribute to Honorable Ijebu, the Deputy Chief Whip of the House of Representatives, for representing Sagamu, Rebel North, and the Kenneth, who passed away 2 days ago. An icon and a dogged activist. Our Honorable had in possession these two exhibits mentioned above. In fact, there was even a bill already presented, laid down on the floor of House of Representatives by one Honorable who is not from Ogun. When I spoke to her, she said I should not worry that the person is a joker. And immediately, the week after, sent in another bill that we think represents our position. May the soul of the departed rest in peace. In the words of Kabiyesi Awujale, between us, we should use this avenue to discuss the matter of creation of a new state of old Ijebu province, truthfully and honestly, amongst ourselves, and agree on a common position to move ahead as one with common goal. It is in this regard that I expect this meeting to mandate the committee of 7 from each division to start work. The composition of the committee is to be finalized by the respective paramount rulers and official letters issued to the committee members within 7 days of today's meeting. We already have a short list of names from His Excellency Otumba Daniel, but there may be indeed to make few adjustments. Remo intends to make such adjustments. Today's meeting should set out in detail the terms of reference for the committee and set out and also set its expiration date. There is the need for us to let bygones be bygones. What is past is past. Let us start afresh in an atmosphere of conviviality and brotherhood. We will achieve more together. To all who have made suggestions, contributed ideas, my thanks go to all. We are determined to have shared prosperity based on equity, fairness, and justice. I want to thank you all. Ijebu, well.
Thank you very much, the Royal Majesty. Majesty